Hi and welcome back to Pechè Beauty. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bleach knots on a lace closure. So let's get started. The products that I'll be using today are a 30 developer along with a powder. I'm going to mix it in this black bowl with a brush and I'm going to apply it onto the lace closure. Now, one thing that you don't want to do is apply this product heavily on the lace so that it seeps through, and that's how you can over bleach a lace. Now I'm going to mix it and I want it to be a thick consistency. I don't want it to be dripping like yogurt. I want it to be a thick consistency. Now I do it a bit different. I mix it with a brush, then I use a stick. So you can get it from a 99p store, Home Bargains, maybe a corner shop. And I lay it lightly, gently, all across the lace. And I'm not pressing hard. Remember, gently, a smooth, thick consistency you need. And just apply it slowly all along your lace as I'm doing right here. So once you've done that, and it's all over the lace and you're happy with, make sure again that the product is over the lace and it hasn't seeped through, so you can turn over the closure at this point to see, to make sure. Some people use tin foil as to make the process faster, so I personally don't do that. So you're going to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, but you're going to be checking to see if it's taken before that time.
Guided through my